Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a quick and easy fried rice recipe. So what do we need for the quick and easy fried rice? 2 bags of boil-in bag Jasmine rice, cooked as per package directions, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1/2 cup green onions sliced, 1/2 cup celery sliced, 1/2 cup carrots diced, 1 cup ham diced, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and 2 eggs beaten. So let's begin. Okay, so I have my rice already cooked. It's prepared. I cooked it for about 10 minutes. Then we want to take our 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it up over medium-low heat. Okay, our oil is heated up and we're going to go ahead and add our onions. We're going to add our celery. And our carrots, and I had some shredded carrots I decided to use instead of dicing, the ones that I showed you. And then we want to go ahead and just cook this until it's crisp tender. And you want to increase the heat to medium. Okay, so the vegetables are crisp tender. We want to go ahead and add our cooked rice. And add our ham. And add our 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then we'll go ahead and heat that until it's heated through. Okay, so the fried rice is heated thoroughly through. I think the rice would be much better if it actually had been cooked like yesterday, but we live and learn. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and add our 2 beaten eggs. And stir constantly until the egg is done. Okay, so here is the finished product. Quick and easy fried rice. And rounding out the meal is a couple of fortune cookies. And you can add more soy sauce on here if you would like.
Oops. This was a little salty, but this is very good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.